Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag, Uppada. So today in this class, we will learn what is Linux and the basic characteristics of Linux, advantages of Linux and disadvantages of Linux. So let us go into the class. So the first point is, what is Linux? So Linux is a free and open source operating system created by Linus Torvalds. So it is an open source. You can download it from internet, and it used on many different devices. So can use this operating system on different devices, from personal computers to servers and mobile devices. So we can use in the computer systems and the mobile devices. And what does Linux stands for? Some people like to say it stands for lovable intellect not using XP. So what is Linux stands for? Lovable intellect not using XP. But it's actually named after its creator, Linus Torvalds. So third point, what is multi-programming, multi-user operating system? So this means that many users can use the systems at the same time, and the system can run many applications simultaneously. So at the same time, we can run applications on simultaneously. So two different applications we can run by using this Linux operating system. So what is the characteristics of Linux? So first point is portable. It can work on different systems of hardware, and it's open source. As I told you, it is free to use and users can improve it. And multi-use, multiple users can access the system. Secure, it provides password protection and data encryption. So encryption is nothing but it will convert the data into zeros and one. And the fifth point is multi-program. It can run multiple applications at the same time. So advantages of Linux: compatibility. It works with many file formats. It's free to download and use. Stable, it's really crashes, which means it will execute properly without crashes. Privacy, it doesn't collect much user data, so you can feel safe, because it will does not collect any user data. And efficient, no need to reboot often, and no antivirus software is required. So Linux is not required any antivirus software. So, and there is no reboot also. So these are the advantages of Linux. And let us come to the disadvantages of Linux. So limited hardware drivers. So not all hardware drivers are available. So hardware or drivers are nothing but the communication between the operating system and the hardware. So those are called hardware drivers. So those hardware drivers are not all hardware drivers are available. Some hardware drivers are not available. So difficult for beginners. This command line interface can be hard to use for beginners. And limited graphic tools. Some graphic tools are not available. No standard version. There are many versions of Linux, which can make it hard to choose the best one for your needs. So which is the best version which you want? You can choose that version. So these are the simple characteristics, advantages and disadvantages of Linux. So I hope you got an idea what is Linux, what is Linux stands for, characteristics of Linux, advantages of Linux and disadvantages of Linux. So that's all from this video, guys. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you'll get the notifications, or otherwise you'll not get the notifications. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.